Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna teach you how to create this beautiful image in Inkscape. So let's start. Welcome back. This is a poster design tutorial in Inkscape. Inkscape is totally free. So this Inkscape, the latest version. So for create a poster, I have downloaded this poster as a reference. So I want to download another poster, just a reference and for getting a color. So change this A4 size, so this poster for A4 size, and this was I have already created few weeks ago. Just duplicate this A4 size and this poster. This is hotel poster, and this tutorial fully for educational purpose only, and I have some logos as a educational purpose, not in real. So this tutorial for noob. So at first create a rectangular and pyramid shape. So this one and union this two shape union. This tutorial is only for professional, how to create a new design without any thinking, without any waste your time. So this is a logo. So I have created this image for my client and align it, and then again rectangular shape, create a rectangular shape. So now change the color, and I want to transparent change the opacity to get this image, and change the bluish color and change the opacity from alpha. So now I want to duplicate this text in here. This is the hotel, this hotel name, this is the name of hotel, and this duplicate and paste it up to, this is a layer, the page, the layer, change the color. So change this location and align it. So you can see here it looks good. So paste up and paste down to your keyboard to layer it up. That you can see hit the paste up button, or you can directly hit on home button from your keyboard to get the everything in. Duplicate here and paste it on here, and change the color in dark chocolate color. This is a chocolate color, and this is a quotation. I want to duplicate it here and copy in here and change this color. Okay, change the color deepen pure base, and okay, this is enough for right. And now I want to draw this one. To choose a rectangular color, hit enter, or you can see the path tool, hit B. For select the rectangular color, left hand side you can see the rectangular or elliptical, just pink color, and this is press hit press B for path tool and duplicate. Just shape, change the shape. If you are happy, then duplicate and rotate. I have rotated this shape, and if you are happy, then I don't want to think to create anything. Only just download any good looking poster from internet and just copy this one. So change the text font style 20%. I've changed this font style. You can see from which font I am using. So now I want to change this text, Aharoni text. That font style Aharoni. Discount. So I want to write the discount here, duplicate, and I want to change the another font style to what looks good. So this one looks good or this one looks good? 100%. 50,000, 1500. So change the space, letter space, unit. So get more closer each other text, and change the 24 rooms and this path line here, and scale it down and change the color white. It's not pure white, 90% white. So just adjust what looks good and where it said looks good. Yes, I have changed the location and everything in your experience. This is my experience. I don't want to duplicate everything that I downloaded from downloaded images or emails. Everything depends on your experience for starting from here, and the main creativity is the color. What color you are using, just you have to sound knowledge the color theory 60, 30 and 10 that I have used on here. 60, 30 and 10 color combination. This is a color theory, and set it on here. If you are a professional designer, then you can follow rest of my tutorial, because I have last 2 years I am following the same technique. Not only me, everybody is following the same technique, and this is the basic technique how to get this tutorial only for rupee, and I want to download the rupee sign. This is Indian currency, the sign instead of dollar, US dollar, and just like a dollar sign, pound sign, and euro sign. This is a rupee signs from Indian currency. So scale it, color the change the color, rupee. This is style. This is a style, how it looks good. This video for live video I have made this one. So this video helps you from noob to pro. So change this color and scale it down. So this application has the magnet button to align automatically. Just hit a shift plus percentage sign to group this one and align. So again I draw the rectangular and round the corner. And change the textbook now, and hit enter and shift Z for group everything. Scale it down and aligned. You can set the last selection from drop down menu relative to last selection. Always select this one. Now it looks how it looks good. I'm thinking how looks good. So after finishing this video, you can see not same to same. I have to copy the reference image. Just this is my phone number, because when I finish this job, the client give me a very few amount of money for getting these images, very few amount. So why you waste your time? Why do you waste your time? I don't want to waste my time, because time is money. So don't waste to think more creativity. Just download the reference image and good color from internet, download it, and just few thing and few design you have to change from the reference images. This is the technique. And 80%, not only 80%, 80% from our country and another country, developing country, are following the same technique. Not only here in the developed countries are following the same technique. I have learned this technique from the West. Starting from here, it looks good. You can see that the reference image in my right hand 35% off, in the left hand side, but I set it this same starting from rupees 1500 in the right hand side, and change this color. So this is the color I have already changed and explained the year. For change it here and change the font style in running handwriting, experience, new white tag, pure veg. So you can so now it's gonna be looks very good. So align it in center of this. Now it looks good. If I set it on center, set with pure veg, white tag with pure veg. So rupee icon, change the pure veg icon. So this icon, yes, this pure veg icon, this one looks good. Copy this same image, just for experiment. I want to set this one from internet and set on here. Because I have an experience a few years in this field, so I can. So now I want to change the company quotations here. Feel the soul of Darjeeling at White Yak. This is the company quotation. And change the font style in running handwriting. You can see here, and change this color dark chocolate. Because why I use the dark chocolate, because the scene that I have set on the top of this canvas it looks a reddish background, so this chocolate color is best and monochromatic color of this is the color theory. What color you have to choose for uh, setting according to color theory, the chocolate color. So you can see in my left hand the purple color. You can see here this was my purple color, and everything I have I am following the color theory 60 30 and 10 60 30 10 rules of as best of my knowledge. So this is my already I have done this image. So if you are new in my channel, kindly subscribe and hit on bell button to get early new release video. Thanks for watching. Safe planet. See you again in the next